Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to copy a post link on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC. If you've been wondering how to share your favorite posts with friends, save a link for later, or simply send content through messaging apps, this video will walk you through everything step by step. The great thing about Instagram's recent update is that the process is now very straightforward. You don't need to struggle searching for hidden options or complicated settings. All it takes are a few simple clicks, and you'll have the direct link to any post you want to share. Let's get started right away. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in with your account so you can access the full features. Once you're inside, scroll through your feed, or navigate to the profile of the person whose post you want to copy. Next, when you find the post, look to the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. This is the options menu. This is the key step, because those dots hold all of the sharing and link features. Go ahead and click on them. Once the drop-down menu appears, you'll see different options such as sharing, reporting, or saving the post. What we're looking for is the option that says Copy Link. Click on it, and instantly the post link will be saved to your clipboard. You won't see a big notification, but the link is there, waiting to be pasted wherever you need it. From here, you can open a new tab, paste the copied link into a message, an email, or even another social platform. This makes it super easy to share an exact post without needing to describe it or take a screenshot. And that's all it takes. Open Instagram, find your post, click the 3 dots, select copy link, and you're done. With just a few clicks, you can share content quickly and directly.